Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start a Maserati Quattroporte. First, gather your jumper cables and a reliable donor vehicle. Make sure both cars are turned off and in park or neutral to prevent any accidental movement. Safety is paramount, so always wear protective eyewear and gloves before you begin. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and safe jump-start process for your luxury vehicle. Now, let's connect the jumper cables correctly. First, attach one red positive cable clamp to the positive terminal of your Maserati's dead battery. Then, connect the other end of the red cable to the positive terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. Next, take the black negative cable and connect it to the negative terminal of the donor battery. Finally, attach the remaining black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Maserati, away from the battery. With the cables properly connected, it's time to start the engines. Begin by starting the donor vehicle and letting it run for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the donor battery to transfer a sufficient charge to your Maserati's dead battery. After this charging period, try to start your Maserati. If it doesn't immediately turn over, give it a few more minutes to charge and then attempt to start it again. Patience is key here. Once your Maserati is running, carefully disconnect the jumper cables in the reverse order of how you connected them. First, remove the black negative cable from your Maserati's ground point, then from the donor car. Next, remove the red positive cable from the donor car and finally from your Maserati. Drive your car for at least 20 minutes to ensure the battery recharges properly. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.